Check out this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 24 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches rectangular, GVWR, 6,900 pounds, 3130 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty locking rear, onyx black, jet black dark ash, cloth seat trim, engine, 4.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, Sierra Appearance Package, Sierra Convenience Package, and the tires, LT 265/70R17C all-terrain, black wall. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.